Come with me, Jake Turner, as I travel the back roads talking with corn and soybean experts about best practices in pest control, ag issues, and how growers can get more from every acre. All you need is a minute. I'm on my way to talk to Harlan Asmus, President and CEO of Asmus Farm Supply in Rake, Iowa. FMC partners with innovative and forward-thinking retailers to bring them the tools growers need to efficiently and consistently maximize production. Today we're talking with Harlan about the value of in-furrow products and innovative solutions from FMC. Harlan, thanks for having us.
Thank you, Jake. You're always welcome at Asmus Farm Supply.
Thanks so much. Tell us a little bit about your family business and how it's grown over the years.
Asmus Farm Supply is a family-owned independent agricultural inputs retailer that specializes in the distribution of crop protection, seeds, seed treatment, and plant nutrition products to the self-applied market.
Now with the self-applied market, you're right there with your growers all the time, right?
Yes.
And what would you say the regulatory and farm issues are that they're facing?
I would say in the production challenge field, we would have resistance to multiple pests, and that increased cost of production. To fight those pests from a social challenge perspective, we would have the increased public perception that our agricultural system is broken, and we'd have increased regulatory requirements to live up to.
And part of your role is educating your growers about all of that, right?
Yes, it is. Our professionally trained CCA staff is all about creating solutions to those challenges.
How would you say FMC is helping you provide solutions for your growers?
They bring us innovative products that they've listened to us say that we need to help address our challenges. In turn, we place those products in the marketplace for success, and we learn together.
How do you see in-furrow inputs as being valuable in helping growers get their season off to a strong start?
We focus on the most optimum crop we can grow, and that all starts with the seed, and starting that seed off very strong and very healthy in a soil environment that is very healthy as well. So in-furrow applications put the products that we're trying to use right in that zone where the most effect can happen.
You've been very active in advocating the value of using Capture LFR in furrow. What drives that?
Product quality, ease of use, and backed by a professional FMC team, because there isn't any solution that doesn't come with a few challenges here and there, but it really starts with product quality and ease of use, where it can be mixed with any starter fertilizer that our company would sell.
And working together with them builds that trust, right?
Yes, and we liked our company to also act in a way in the industry that we're an environmentally sustainable company, dealing with trust not only at the grower level, but at the regulatory level as well.
With prolonged corn prices being below $4, how do you keep your growers focused on the value of using in-furrow inputs when they're starting to think about cutting costs?
It starts with training our agronomic staff to focus on the end result. The end result being raising more crop. Commodity price goes down, we need more commodity to pay the bills. How are you going to do that? You're going to build that plant right from the beginning into a robust, healthy plant that can kick out the optimum yield that we're looking for.
How do you see biologicals shaping up in the future to meet growers' needs?
Biological products in the commodity production of corn and soybeans in America today need to prove themselves. That being said, I think the investment being made by FMC into a biological company means that there's a future there. There's an innovation there that needs to be discovered and perfected. And then we need to take this biological word and split it into the various ways they're going to get used, because the way a biological will pay for itself is with long-term usage, dealing with a changing environment, a living organism, and a changing plant, a growing plant. So they will sometimes pay and not pay. But if we can perfect the application method and the product coupled together with the weather conditions that we're going to apply them in, that's a perfect situation.
And now you're seeing Capture LFR in a co-pack with VGR soil amendment. How do you like the promise of that?
To build this bigger corn factory, products from the biological field or biological product line will be a part of that. So we see an offer brought to us from FMC that is worth more and offers more, and that's something that we can sell to our growers.
Where do you see the in-furrow input marketplace being in the next 3 to 5 years?
I see a lot more offerings coming from probably multiple manufacturers, multiple products being applied at the same time to address different issues all at the same time, whether they be in liquid or dry form or some other form we don't even know yet. I see them being applied across a field at variable rates according to the data that's coming to the machinery to tell it what to do. That's extremely exciting. That allows us to build these corn factories and soybean plants to meet the challenges that they're facing in their environment.
And what about great advancements like Thrive 3D and the delivery system that we've developed?
So application flexibility is key for us working with self-applied growers, and whether it's new product technologies that allow products to be applied at different times throughout the growing season, that's key to us. But the unique opportunity to offer a Thrive 3D system, a one-of-a-kind in the industry, makes Asmus look innovative and makes it look to our customer like we're trying to bring him the best solutions possible.
Well, you've given us a lot of great information, a lot of things to think about. How would you sum up your partnership with FMC?
I would say it's a two-way street. We count on FMC to bring us quality formulations that are consistent performers, backed by professional staff. FMC counts on Asmus to be an innovative company, to promote the brands that they've invested heavily in, to produce the ROI that our growers need to stay in business.
Well, we really appreciate that partnership, and thanks so much.
Thank you.
As Harlan pointed out, whether it's through innovative in-furrow applications, the addition of biologicals, multiple modes of action, or application flexibility, FMC partners with retailers to help their growers find more efficient and sustainable ways to maximize yields. So until next time, be safe out there, and I'll see you down the road when you have a minute.